everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie Zweer and I'm a holistic health coach, and I just wanted to show you real fast how I roast broccoli. You can roast any sort of vegetable. It's a really great way to get some added nutrition into your diet. I love roasting broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, beets, regular potatoes, all sorts of things. I love having it for lunch. Just like roasted veggies, or I like adding them to other meals because, especially for lunch, because it doesn't really fill you up or make you, have a lot of excess food to digest, so you don't feel really tired in the afternoon. So roasted veggies is one of my favorite recipes. It's roasted veggie bowl is one of the recipes that is in my cookbook. So anyway, I'm just going to show you real fast how I'm making this. And what you're going to do is you're going to just take the head of broccoli here. And so the base part here is edible. It's not going to be as easily digestible or easy to, break down in your stomach. So you want to, especially if you're getting used to eating broccoli, you want to just cut it closest to the base as possible. Again, this part is edible. Sometimes people use it for broccoli slaws, and you can even add it to the pan and roast that, or make a separate salad with this. So it is edible. Again, it's not as easily digestible. So we're just going to cut these pieces of the broccoli off of the base here, and it comes apart just like that. You're going to have some bigger pieces which you can break apart with your fingers like this. I just preheated the oven for 350, and I'm just going to throw it on just a plain old baking sheet right here. You can make these pieces as big or as small as you would like. It's just going to affect the baking time. So it's an average size. Just break it up. You can easily chop this up also. And then you are going to line your sheet with the broccoli. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. You want to make sure that they have a good amount of room. Like, you don't want it to be on top of each other. You just want to give it a good amount of room. So once you fill up your pan with the broccoli, you're just going to take some salt. I just like to use Himalayan pink sea salt. Take a little bit, pinch it, sprinkle it over. Obviously, I'll fill up this pan as soon as, I don't want to bore you with showing you how I cut up every single piece of broccoli, but this is the general idea. And then you're just going to drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil, just like a light drizzle. And once you give it a drizzle, just give it a nice little toss, and it is ready for the oven, just like that. You want to keep an eye on it, like I said, depending on how filled your pan is, how big or small your pieces are. You just want to make sure that it gets just a little bit browned and a little bit roasted down. I like to keep it in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, a whole pan like this. So again, everyone's oven's different. Just keep an eye on it, and yeah, that's how you roast veggies, guys. All right, I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you like this, if this was helpful for you. Please hit subscribe if you want to learn more about how to learn the basics of healthy eating, just these basic simple tips. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you next time.